So technically it's still practicing your chords, even when you're on one of these guys, which I've really never been on one before, so it's still practicing chords. Gotta have fun once in a while. The chords still pretty much work. Practicing chords. Hey, check this out too. So I was in the car the other day and a song came on the radio. One of the songs I usually try to play along with. And I kind of found myself doing the fingers to the song in the car, no guitar. Obviously I can't have a guitar in the car while I'm driving. So as soon as I got home, I did a quick Google search and lo and behold, this is exactly what I needed and what I was thinking of, which is basically the neck of a guitar, and I just 3D printed this in the next room about an hour ago. So it's basically all the strings, a couple frets, so you can practice your C, you can practice your A, you can practice your D, and it feels like you're actually pressing on little metal strings, just like that. So I kind of get a feel where my fingers are while I'm driving. I can be messing around with that just to get that muscle memory, because I still can't do C. So there it is, 3D printed about an hour ago. I'm gonna try it out. All right, till next time.